everyone, so we are adding so many cool new things to my buddy's Model Y Juniper, I can't even keep track of it. This video is on side skirts. I'm sure you've already seen some pictures of it. It is part of the entire body kit that we're putting on there. Already did the front fascia, and then we are hitting the back next with a rear air diffuser. So stay tuned. Anyway, this video, side skirts, the links to everything are below. There are a number of different kits from EVBase. You can put them together, you can separate things. These side skirts don't actually go with the kit that includes that front fascia. Everything can be separate though. It doesn't matter. In this video, we're gonna show these side skirts. I show you how to put them on, how to make sure they're all lined up. If you're wondering if they lower the car or if they sit lower than the car, spoiler alert, not really, but watch the video. You've seen some clips already in the beginning of this video, but I will show you some more at the end. Use my links below. They will include the discount code TeslaMark and they will save you more money. This is like Black Friday season, okay? It's not even like Black Friday. It's not Black Friday week. It's like Black Friday season now. So discounts change a little bit overall, but there are some great prices out there, and the TeslaMark code will usually save you 1% or 2% more. Try it out. It works at all the best places. If I didn't say it already, these side skirts are from EVBase. They have a number of different body kits, separate pieces. Anyway, they have all kinds of stuff to make your car unique. Make your Tesla unique. Everybody's driving the same looking Tesla around. Change it up. Side skirts are super easy to install. I've got 2 different videos on installing a different front lip for your car, a whole different front end. Also, very simple. Not as easy as these side skirts. These things are super simple. And as soon as we get the back piece in, the rear air diffuser, that one will take more work, all right? That one will take more work for sure. Still hasn't come in yet, but as soon as it does, we're gonna get it on his car and get the video out for you. In this video, I mentioned a bunch of other things just because he's got so many things on his car. Again, all the links will be below. And it's Christmas light season, so gotten a start already? Just a start. But follow me, all right? Because this car looks fantastic when it's done. So yeah, like and subscribe. All right, big mess going on in the garage, but we've got to get these side skirts in like now. First thing is to pick out the little screws there. There's 3 little screws that go here, and then these larger self-tapping screws are going to be in these points here. There's 9 of those, and those are actually just going to screw right into the underside, right in this area here of this. This is all plastic. There's a bunch of clearance behind here. No big deal. So yeah, we got a little bit of cleaning to do. We're gonna screw this in and put this together. Yeah, if you see this underglow, check that out. We got another video. Oh, we got to do some raking too. I'm telling you, it's crazy today. We got underglow going on. Check that video out too. All right, so we're gonna line this thing up and then I'm gonna start screwing it in from this side. All right, this end is lined up, so let me show you what's going on here. All right, so we lined up this end, you know, left to right, and then underneath, what you have to look for is that it lines up with the existing trim. And once it's lined up that way, on the outside you see it fits and looks the best. So right now I've just got this one screw in here and just kind of, you know, that's like holding this in place. So then I'm gonna put this one in, and then I'm gonna go down the line one by one so that it doesn't bunch up anywhere, which I don't think it would do anyway. That's where we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna continuously check underneath to make sure that everything is maintained alignment. Get this started, I'll fix it. Okay. All right, guys. Don't mind the wire, all right? We got some other stuff going on. Just ignore that. We got the new front end, okay? And check out the side skirts. Oh, yeah, working on a couple rock light underglow things too. That's a whole separate deal. But look at the side skirts. All right, car's a little dirty. All right, check that out. Oh, this is nice. I am liking this. and it really goes with this. This is the I don't know what they call this, like the sporty or something like that, the sporty front end. It's like the sporty lip or something. I got a whole video on that, but these are not the side skirts that come with the kit. He got these beforehand. The links and everything to which side skirts these are down below, but the finish and everything matches. I mean, you can see even the style, really, that style, it flows, it's perfectly fine. But yeah, look at that. Wow, this really adds to the car. So what's coming next is a rear diffuser, all right? This is just so plain. This whole area back here is just like plain, just like there's not enough going on. Oh yeah. Check these out. Carbon fiber, pretty cool. He put these dual motor on here too. I've got all videos for this stuff, but yeah, these are replacement lettering. But back to the side skirts. Looking good. Roof rack. This guy is like set up. You can see we got these other mirror covers here. We got other covers coming here too. Little design accents all around this action. We'll have that very soon. Very soon. Working on that today. Running out of lights, daylight. We're not running out of underglow, that's for sure. Oh, a lot of people ask, like, does it lower the car? Does it create any lower spots for the car? Is really the correct way to say it. If you look, it does, like, a little bit. This is basically, if you can see, there's the rail, they call it that, the seam, the battery seam in the middle of the battery there is eyeballing this. This is like at the same level. So it's shocking. I thought for sure that this thing was really gonna add some you know, something to the bottom of this car. I thought it would be at least this much lower, but this actually goes up the curve and then comes down. So that's how they do it. I mean, you know, maybe 1/8 of an inch or something at this portion, but the overall car, you know, you got that, again, that seam in the middle is basically this exact same height. Yeah, you might be getting 1/8 of an inch or something lower, but really nothing substantial. And that surprises me too.